Have you ever wondered why some products fly off the shelves while others gather dust? It's not just about quality or price, it's often about the incentives behind the scenes. One such incentive is the spiff, a performance-based bonus offered to salespeople. But what exactly is a spiff, and how does it work? Let's dive in. Defining the spiff, a spiff, short for special incentive for performance, is a commission or bonus paid to a salesperson to encourage them to sell a particular product or product line. It's a way to motivate sales teams and boost revenue. How spiffs work. Spiffs can be structured in various ways. Some common models include straight commission, a straightforward percentage of the sale price goes directly to the salesperson. Tiered commission, the commission rate increases as the salesperson reaches specific sales targets. Bonus, a lump sum payment is given upon achieving a sales goal. Contests, salespeople compete against each other to win prizes or bonuses. The benefits of spiffs. Spiffs offer several advantages to both businesses and salespeople. Increased sales. By incentivizing salespeople, spiffs can lead to higher sales volumes and revenue. Improved employee morale. Recognition and rewards can boost employee morale and job satisfaction. Focused sales efforts. Spiffs can direct salespeople's attention to specific products or campaigns. Enhanced customer experience. Motivated salespeople are more likely to provide excellent customer service. Potential drawbacks. While spiffs can be effective, they also have potential drawbacks. Short-term focus. Over-reliance on spiffs can lead to a short-term focus on sales rather than long-term customer relationships. Unfair competition. If spiffs are not implemented fairly, they can create resentment among salespeople. Increased costs. Excessive spiff programs can add to a company's operating costs. Balancing act. To maximize the benefits of spiffs while minimizing the drawbacks, businesses should set clear goals, clearly define the desired outcomes, and align spiffs with company objectives. Fair and transparent policies. Ensure that spiff programs are fair, transparent, and communicated effectively. Monitor and evaluate. Track the effectiveness of spiffs and make adjustments as needed. Combine with other incentives. Consider using a mix of incentives, such as recognition programs or career development opportunities. The spiff structure can be a powerful tool for driving sales and motivating employees. However, it's essential to implement spiffs strategically and in alignment with overall business goals. By understanding the benefits, drawbacks, and best practices, businesses can leverage spiffs to achieve their sales objectives. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.